Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Mania. So today I am gonna tell you how to create an environment for writing a Java code, and we'll write our first Java program, that is of Hello World. So let's begin. So first of all, we'll have to download Amazon Corretto, that is the JDK of Java, and that too version 11. So for that, just go to your Chrome and type Amazon Corretto, and then click on this first link, and after that you can see download Amazon Corretto 11. So just click on this, and now just scroll down and download the version according to your OS. So mine is Windows 64, so I'll just click on this link and I'll just download it. So it will take some time, so till then we can download IntelliJ IDEA. So just go to jetbrains.com, and there, and in this you can see IntelliJ based IDEs. So click on this, and now you can see IntelliJ IDEA. Just click on this, and here you can see download option. So I'll click on download, and here you now can see ultimate version and community version. So community version is free, so we'll use community version only, and maximum of things we can do in community version also. So we'll just download it only. So just click on download, and then save it. So it will take some time, so I'll fast forward it for you. Now both the files are downloaded. So first we'll have to set up the JDK or the Amazon Corretto. So I'll go to this, and open it. Then click on next, and then click on next and install. Click yes. So after this we'll have to set up our IntelliJ IDEA. So for that, just click on that option and open it. Now click on next, and this is the path. So click on next. So after this, just check the .java, .groovy, .kt and .kts, and also click 64-bit launcher if you have a 64-bit Windows, and add launchers to the directory to the path, and just click next, then click install. So it will take some time, so I'll just fast forward it. So after it is done, so you have to reboot your system. So I'll just click on finish, and then I'll reboot, and we'll continue later. So after the reboot, just open your IntelliJ IDEA and click on create a new project, and make sure your SDK version is already here, and then click on next, and then click next, and give the project a name, like I'll give Hello World, and click finish. Now under this, in src folder or source folder, just right click and click on new and a Java class, and give it a name like I'm giving hey, and inside the brackets you'll have to write public static void main string args. Now again blocks, and then system dot out dot print ln, and then hello world, and end with semicolon. And now just click on this button to run it, and here you can see hello world as the output. So if you enjoyed my video and learned something new, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you.